Is your garage door showing signs of wear? Understanding common issues can save you time and money. One major reason for garage door troubles is broken springs, leading to difficulty in lifting heaviness. Garage door springs wear out over time due to constant use, causing inconvenience. It's vital to replace these safely. Another frequent issue arises from misaligned tracks, making your garage door operate unevenly or not at all. Regular maintenance can help prevent track misalignment, which could lead to greater damage over time. Worn-out rollers may cause your garage door to jerk or drag. Replacing them can significantly enhance performance. Modern garage doors have sensors, but dirt or misalignment can disrupt their function, leading to unexpected closures. If your chosen opener fails frequently, electrical issues or worn gears may be behind the malfunctions. Routine checks and preventative maintenance can help identify problems before they escalate, ensuring longevity of your door. Expert intervention is key for complex repairs. Don't risk injury by attempting to fix major issues DIY style.